In this video, we will talk about how to install VirtualBox on Windows 10. Right-click and open any browser. In address bar, type Download VirtualBox and press Enter. Open VirtualBox website. Select Windows Host, and it starts downloading the VirtualBox. If you're looking for older version of VirtualBox, then click on VirtualBox older builds. From here, you can select your version. Now, let's open the latest version. Click on Yes. Click on Next. Accept the terms of license and click on Next. From here, you can change the installation path. Then click on Next. Read the warning and select Yes. Select your startup options. I would like to keep it desktop shortcut, so I am leaving this option checked. Click on Next and select Install. If you would like to know how to install any operating system in VirtualBox, then check out the link given in the description. So that's how you can install VirtualBox on Windows 10. See you in the next video.